Hi, I'm Avo Dukuri, founder and CEO here at Vizetto. We created Reactiv SUITE, and I just wanted to kind of tell you the whole motivation behind this application and this story. So what happened is in my last startup, it was a very technology-focused startup where we had a lot of complex information to go ahead and show to a customer. And we would take all this content and put it into a PowerPoint document and present it, and people would just go fall asleep. Like, we weren't converting. And I realized I need multimedia content. I needed really an impressive way to make an impact and point out to people, regardless of where they are in the world, how something is actually working. And I started experimenting with videos. I started experimenting with multimedia content that shows a specific feature, and we needed a way to deliver it really easily. Opening up 10,000 windows and clicking everywhere was just really complicated. So Reactiv was designed in order to help me sell. I designed it for myself. And what happened was, people would see it and immediately go, how are you doing that? I would love to transform my salespeople's demos to be like that. How are you making it interactive? How are you pulling up any type of content you want? And that's what Reactiv became. It became an incredible sales tool because Reactiv is all about selling and converting more. And how do you do that? So first up, you actually have to go ahead and create an impact. And 90% of a presentation is you. It's your trust, it's your image, it's you standing out, it's you differentiating yourself. That's why you wear a suit or you bring coffee to the table when you go visit a customer. Reactiv helps you stand out. It helps you be front and center, not your content. Because if you were truly just selling because you sent a PowerPoint presentation, why do they need you? Reactiv builds trust. It builds confidence. By pulling up content, by putting up a contract, and showing them the terms and walking them through. The old adage, never send a contract out without legs. What does that mean in the remote world? You actually have to send a contract out and be able to point out to someone the key things that they care about. I am an architect. I want to go ahead and walk you through a house. And I know that the wife on the other side of the remote call cares about the kitchen cabinets or cares about the appliances. I need to point that out, not just send 800 pictures and say, go check it out yourself. I want to walk you through. That's my value as an architect. I'm a doctor. It doesn't matter if I'm doing patient interaction. Bedside manner is sales, That means that you're making your patient feel comfortable, putting up x-rays, putting up all sorts of content to be able to say, look, this is critical, this is important, this is why I'm going to make you feel comfortable. It doesn't matter if you're a teacher or a coach. Teaching is sales. Everything, when you're interacting with someone on the other side and you're explaining your value proposition, your product, your service, you're teaching your lesson, it's all sales. And Reactiv transforms that sales experience on a remote call into something that's personal, that's intimate, that makes you feel connected to the other person. So by using Reactiv, you transform how you interact and you close more. Check it out. You'll see how fast and easy it is for you to transform your sales presentation.